Hi, my name is Fanie Naudia. I am the Managing Director for BuzzNet Direct and also the co-founder for Your Marketing Company. And I recently attended one of Tim Wagner's workshop. For me personally, I'm approaching 30 and I'm running multiple businesses and partnerships, and with some doing well and others just not so much, leaving me with to make some tough decisions and wondering whether or not my life is going in the right direction. So that's why I joined the workshop. Yes, Tim is a great speaker and a good person overall, and I knew that going in. But for me, the question was, does what he teaches actually work? Or is it just another short-term motivational speaker that basically just impacts your short-term motivation? And, for me, I love personal development. I value it a ton. And I've done my fair share of courses and workshop over the years. And, I was pleasantly surprised to find that the workshop that Tim presented is, very practical. It's based on practical exercises that you need to complete in a specific order to find the ultimate benefit. So Tim is a great presenter and very easy to listen to, and he makes it very understandable, the workshop and the exercises you have to go through. And he bases all of his teachings on proven techniques and practical exercises. That's really great. I would recommend anyone that is facing difficult decisions, that needs clarity of direction, or that needs to find a new direction in life, to attend one of Tim's workshops and really find out for yourself what value it can add to you. I would say just don't hesitate to take action and find out for yourself. Find out for yourself what Tim can add to your life direction. Maybe some much needed clarity about the purpose and meaning in your life.